We've seen how to convert between percents and decimals. Now we're going to take a look at how we can convert between fractions and percents. To convert between a fraction to a percent, we're going to divide the numerator by the denominator and convert that decimal answer to a percent. So, for example, if I have 17 out of 20, we can do on my calculator 17 divided by 20. And when I do, I get 0.85. And we know to change that decimal to a percent, we just have to move the decimal point twice, giving us 85% is equal to the fraction 17 out of 20. What if I want 3/7? Well, on my calculator, we can divide. 3 divided by 7 is approximately 0.4286. To change that to a percent, we multiply by 100%, which moves the decimal twice, to get 42.86%. What if I have a mixed number, like 5 2/3? Well, I'll keep the 5, and to get the decimal point, we're going to do the 2/3 on my calculator. 2 divided by 3 is approximately 0.6667. Now to convert that to a percent, we multiply by 100%, which moves the decimal, giving me 566.67%. So if that's how we convert a fraction to a percent, how do we convert a percent to a fraction? Well, to do that, we're going to use what we know about the word percent, which means per 100. Per is the fraction bar, so we'll put it over 100 and reduce. So if we have 32%, that means 32 per 100, or over 100. Now I just have to reduce that fraction. They're both divisible by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. And now I've got the fraction that's equal to 32%. Let's try 85%. Well, I can put that 85% per 100. And then I reduce this fraction. Both numerator and denominator are divisible by 5. 85 divided by 5 is 17, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 85% is 17/20. Let's do one more. Let's do 120%. Well, we'll take that 120%, means per 100, over 100. And then we can reduce. I'm going to reduce out, dividing by 10 reduces out the zeros, and then we have 12 over 10. Divide both by 2, and we get 6 over 5. If we're OK with the improper fraction, we can leave it as 6/5, or we can change that to 1 1/5 as a mixed number. That's how we can convert back and forth between fractions and percents. We've already seen percents and decimals. Now it's your turn to practice some of these and let your instructor know if you have any questions.